Hello and welcome to my review of the CFMOTO Cforce 500s. As you can see, this is the silver model. I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the vehicle before I do talk about some of the features that are on this vehicle. All right. This vehicle does come standard with a digital dash and speedometer, as well as high beams, low beams, and parking lights, a kill switch, a horn, and four-wheel and two-wheel drive. And also it does include a standard automatic transmission, but this transmission does have its issues and it does get stuck in gear quite often. So in order to get it out of gear when it does get stuck in, because it does get stuck in a lot of the gears and not want to go into park or shift, you will have to rev it up and or move it in that gear that you are in and make sure that the vehicle does not drift. Some other good features about this vehicle is that it does come with electronic power steering standard, and it does come with standard mud tires and chrome wheels. In addition, it also does include a front winch. And let's talk about the skid plate while we are up here. You do have to make sure that the factory does install these particular bolts on the front skid plate, because they are not installed usually by the factory and do need to be installed by the dealership, and a lot of dealerships do not install these, so just make sure, because if not, you will have your front skid plate ripped off, which I had when I unloaded this vehicle off of my truck. While talking about the skid plates on this particular vehicle, this vehicle does have very, very, very fragile skid plates that do break very easily. So it is a very wise investment to buy metal skid plates, because you will have a lot of broken plastic skid plates and they are very, very expensive. This vehicle also does come standard with a back tow hitch already installed. While talking about the back of this vehicle does have a great width that does allow it to fit in between the wheel wells of most small pickup trucks, and is a very good feature because it does allow you to drive right between the wheel wells and not have to drive up over top of them. Overall, this vehicle is a great value because it does come with a lot of standard features. Like I said, it does come with a winch and electronic power steering, which is often a bonus extra option for vehicles of this particular size. So you will want to, maybe consider this vehicle, because it does come with options that are extras on other vehicles. Overall, I do give this vehicle about a 7 out of 10 because of the fact that it does have the issues with the transmission, not wanting to shift out of gear. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked my review.